Orchestral Evolution is a piece of music that I've written for a truly contemporary orchestra. It's open to all instruments and all abilities. Now, crucially, it's a modular piece of music, so each section is made up of different loops layered on top of each other. So the musicians can choose which loop they want to work with according to what they want to focus on or how they want to challenge themselves. And that means that the musicians can come back and revisit the piece many times and choose different loops as they develop as musicians. And finally, it also means that the performance of this piece is always completely and utterly original. And that's what I really want from you guys. It's not so much about musical ability and your ability to play fast or note perfectly. It's going to be about communicating something and putting across a bit of emotion and passion. So that's it, really. 3 parts, A, B and C. That's all you kind of got to remember at this point. Let's make some music, I guess. And I'm going to sort of help you understand it for each instrument. We're going between 2 notes, literally like this, okay? Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant, fantastic, absolutely wonderful. You are loop 2. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and...
So the collaboration between SoundStorm and the Bourne Academy is we've got 37 students performing in this Orchestral Evolution piece. It's taking students right outside of their comfort zones. A lot of our students are really used to playing contemporary music, pop music, and this piece of music, because it's based on minimalism and lots of complex rhythms, has really sort of pushed the musicians to a sort of a different level.
Fantastic, really, really good. We got through it, right? So we've been workshopping this piece over the past couple of weeks in different schools, and next week is our final performance, bringing together all the schools into one big pop-up orchestra for the first time. So we'll see how that goes.
I think this project is innovative because we're not going to know what it sounds like until the event itself. We asked Chris Woods to create a piece of music for any instrument, for any ability, for infinite numbers. He's created a very modular piece of music with very, very different loops. So each workshop he's been working with different students, different instruments, and it's only tonight when everything's brought together that we're going to see what it looks like.
Projects like this are really important for our students to be involved with because it allows them to work with professional musicians as well as students from different schools, and that's really, really important, the idea of collaboration. I think it's great for our students of all variety of different skill levels to be able to be part of something, whether students are picking up an instrument for the first time or they're really accomplished in what they're doing, and to be able to come together and collaborate and become part of a far bigger project is really, really exciting to see.
I think it's really good for people of all different musical abilities to be able to work together. It's something new for a lot of people.
It's a good experience to not just have to play with people in like your year group. A little bit nervous, but I think it'll be okay because I'm performing with other people.
really well, yes. All of my kids are the youngest performers there, so they all got to take part, which was fantastic, and they all played confidently, and I think they did themselves proud, and they were surprised how well they took part within the group, so I'm really, really pleased, yeah.
She's never done anything like this before. She's gained inspiration, friendship, new experiences, and definitely confidence.
We really brought it to life, and I think for the parents it was quite an experience as well. I think that was the first time they would have heard something like that and seen something so, I don't know, something so real, and yeah, all the players were really inspirational in that how focused they were. It was fantastic, a real pleasure.